Hi traders, welcome back to the Forex Geek channel. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to set up the AFL winner indicator for MT4. All right, the first step is to download the indicator. All right, you're going to see the link in the description. Just follow the link and it's going to lead you to this web page for the AFL winner indicator. Right, so once you get here, you just have to click on this to download the indicator. After downloading the indicator, you go back to your MT4 terminal, open data folder, navigate to the MQL4, go to the indicators folder and paste your indicator file there. Then you come back to your navigator and then you refresh. After doing that, look for the AFL winner indicator, you drag and drop it to your chart. Ensure that the allow DLL import box is checked. Now, as for the input settings, the two customizable settings we have are the period and the average. Okay, you can modify these depending on how sensitive you want the indicator to be. All right, you modify according to your taste. Now, this is how the indicator looks like. Okay, it helps you to understand market direction. Okay, it's a simple indicator that helps you identify trend shifts, momentum strength and all of that. Basically, when you have a prevailing bullish momentum, you will notice that the green colors would appear. Okay, just like how we had here, there was a prevalence of bullish momentum and of course led to the appearance of these green bars. And then when the momentum is bearish, you will notice the appearance of these red bars. So it's pretty straightforward, right? The green bars show bullish momentum, the red bars show bearish momentum. So what do you do? First of all, I will recommend trading in a trending market, using this indicator in a trending market, to play safe, right? So when the market has been identified as a trending market, for example, in this scenario, we had a bearish trend. What you just have to do is look for bearish opportunities within the bearish trend. So when you have the red bars form, just look for a good opportunity to sell. Now, when the bars turn green, you know that it's a pullback, right? Then the moment the pullback is over, because the pullback might be very little. So if you want to trade the pullback, you might get stopped out. And your risk to reward will be bad, most likely. Unless if the pullback is a long one. So after the pullback, you just look for a continuation. The bars turn red again, you enter another sell. That's within a sell trend, right? Now, if we have a bullish trend, you want to look out for buy opportunities only. So when the bars turn green, you look for buy opportunity, you buy. Then when the bars turn red, you just know it's a pullback, right? And when it turns green again, you look for another opportunity to buy. And then when it turns red again, you know it's a pullback. And then when it turns green again, of course, you know it's an opportunity to buy, and so on and so forth. It's a straightforward indicator, right? So if you found this video valuable, kindly like the video, okay? Subscribe to the channel and click your notification bell, okay? Turn on your notification so that you do not miss out on more valuable videos like this, so that you can learn more about different trading indicators, strategies, and all of that. Okay, thank you for watching. I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Cheers and God bless.